Through my design process, I want to be able to provide a narrative through my work. I also believe that as an upcoming textile designer, I have the responsibility to give meaning and purpose into what I am creating and putting into the world. This means that everything being created now must be intentional and serve a larger purpose than to just look good. I want my work to mean something and speak to who I am not only as a designer, but also as a person and what I believe in. For example, I competed in the YMA Scholarship Project and was given the brief to create a collection focused on innovation through collaboration. My initial thought was, how can I make my collection serve a greater purpose than just being aesthetically pleasing? After lots of ideation, I decided that I wanted to create a collection that would help benefit people in need. I did research on multiple different pediatric cancer patient programs, which led me to find the Kids in Art Foundation. This is a foundation that provides art classes and artistic community to pediatric cancer patients as a coping mechanism to help ease their fight against cancer. The creator's son battled with cancer, and making art and being creative brought him happiness and was a joyful escape from the hardships he was facing. I believe that this is an amazing program accomplishing amazing things, and I thought that this collaboration project would be a way to bring awareness to the Kids in Art Foundation and their message. The fashion industry, specifically luxury fashion, has an incredible platform allowing for a large outreach and a consumer base that are financially able to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on clothing. Of course, the collection still has to be aesthetically pleasing, so I wanted to choose a clothing brand whose aesthetic would fit not just my design style, but also was fun and playful to portray children's art, which is why I decided on Prada. I started the designing process by reaching out to the foundation and getting images of work created by the kids in the program. I chose motifs and textures from the work that I was inspired by and merged the childish and hand-done aesthetic of the art I received to the high-end luxury aesthetic of Prada. I spent a while taking the children's work to create and design around their art to provide a quirky and fun aesthetic that highlighted their work. After the designs are made, then the important part of any collection is the application to a garment. I created a luxurious silhouette of garments typical of Prada's existing clothing and mapped my designs strategically on each piece to showcase the motifs while maintaining a sophisticated and high-end feel. I want this to not only give the Kids in Art Foundation recognition, but also give a percentage of the profits from this collection to go back to the foundation to help grow and improve their community. Since the story is probably the most important aspect of this collaborative collection, the marketing was an important aspect in promotion, so I had to come up with an idea how to tell the story and information about the Kids in Art Foundation in a successful way. My design process starts and focuses on the meaning and message that the collection is based around. Throughout the process, I think the most important part is to create a strong initial mood, inspiration, and story to constantly refer back to create a cohesive collection that portrays the core ideas and images.